Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File Tip of the Week is 2 lessons learned from a Tesla insider threat. In Secure World's article, Russian national pleads guilty after trying to hack a human at Tesla, and I will put a link to that article in the description. The team will runs through a foiled 2020 attempt to recruit a Tesla employee to assist in launching a ransomware attack on Tesla. Now, according to the article, the ransomware operator really likes bribing insiders to help launch an attack against their own employer. So the suspect in the case, the cybercriminal, will establish a rapport with an employee at a company that his group wants to launch a ransomware attack against. So how does it start? Or how did this particular incident start? Well, the cybercriminal found the victim through a mutual connection and established an in-person relationship, even an all-expense-paid trip to Nevada, ending with a $1 million bribe. Now, luckily, the employee caught on to the scam, reported it to Tesla, who then brought it to the FBI. Wow. So what are 2 key takeaways for you and your team? Well, the first one is social media. So don't include on your social media platforms such as LinkedIn or Facebook that you have access to remit information like bank details, check remit addresses, etc. Cyber criminals, as in the case with Tesla, will stalk your profiles and find a piece of information or a way in to connect with you or your team member and build that credibility or trust. Also, you cannot rely on Facebook friends or LinkedIn connections as truly credible because your friends and connections may have been fooled into connecting with a cyber criminal. Now, the second key takeaway is security incident reporting. I love how this Tesla employee reported it to Tesla and then they reported it to the FBI. So make sure your vendor team knows how to report incidents. Is there a button on your email platform or an email address to report suspicious emails? Is there an email address or a phone number to report suspected fraud that does not occur via email? Well, don't have a plan? I will link to a video at the end of this video on creating a fraud response plan. I will also link to a blog in the description with 2 more lessons learned from this Tesla incident. Now, if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website, debrarrichardson.com, for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File Tip of the Week.